How to create Hellofresh account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. First off, make sure you have already downloaded Hellofresh app on your device. You can get this app easily from the App Store or Play Store. Once completion of download process, launch the app. Here we go. You will land to this kind of interface. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of settings. Then click on the option of sign up or login. Now from here, you can easily create your account. You can use the Google, Apple ID or Facebook account, or you can directly enter your email address to create your account. Click on this arrow and select your country. After you do that, type in your email address over here. After you type in your email address over here, click on continue. Now generate password for your account. Once you are done, click on login. Click on sign up. And just with that, your account has been created. Now you can head towards the plan tab and build your plan. Likewise, you can click on the explore tab and explore these menus. Click on the settings, and from here you can customize your personal info. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily create your Hellofresh account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.